Tutorial for ScratchJr. How to pick a background. How to delete a sprite. How to choose a new sprite. Repeat the steps to add more sprites. Click on and drag sprites to move them around. How to draw an object for your project. You can use shapes or lines. You can fill them with paint. Select the arrow to move objects. How to shrink an object. How to add speech bubbles. Click on another sprite and repeat the steps. How to make sprites move. Repeat steps for other sprites. Press green flag to test the code. How to repeat a code. How to time the code. Test the code for one object. Test the code for the whole project. Adjust and fix code as needed. Keep testing and adjust as needed. How to add sound.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep.